In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a deep house track step by step by trying to keep this simple and straight to the point, so make sure to watch until the end of this video. So first thing first, let's open up our DAW and set a tempo to 124. And let's find a vocal sample so we can get some inspiration flowing. You can grab some cool samples from places like Splice, Tracklib, Vocleo, but for this video, I found this cool vocal inside the PML pack.
Scandalous dreams, I'm having scandalous dreams at night. Yeah, you know what it means. It feels like you are already mine.
So let's add some reverb and a little bit of EQ to cut some bad frequencies.
It feels like you are already mine.
Okay, that sounds great. Now for the bass, let's open Serum and create that classic deep house bass that you probably heard in 80% of the music industry. So let's turn oscillator A 2 octaves down. Create this kind of envelope. And for the effects, we got a simple filter with a cutoff, and it sounds like this. But if you want to skip all of that, make sure to check out our Serum presets bundle on our website. Now let's start writing the bass line and make sure to have the vocal playing in the background. Maybe this one.
Scandalous dreams, I'm having scandalous dreams at night. Yeah, you know what it means. It feels like you are already mine.
Okay, sounds great. And now to fill up some space, let's add some layers to the bass. I'm gonna go with this Medusa synth. So let's copy the same notes and paste them right here.
Scandalous dreams, I'm having scandalous.
Okay, and next let's move on to the drums. First I'm gonna add 4 on the floor kicks, some spicy claps, and some hi-hats. Also I'm gonna add a top loop on this to make it more full, and we get this. Now for the first part of the drop, I'm gonna add a synth melody, some ambience, and let's write another bass pattern using this preset. And we get something like this. And for the second part of the drop, I'm gonna let the wall drums play together and add some percussion loops. Now moving on to the build-up section, we have this snare loop, a lot of ambient sounds, a reverb automation that I created using the sweat and decay knob to add some excitement, and this empty space before the drop that I live in all of my tracks with the vocal pitch down a few semitones. And lastly, let's add some sound effects like impacts, some crashes and down filters for the drop. And let's also add a riser for the build-up, and that's it. Also, if you want to create better music, make sure to check out our Deep House production suite on our website. So now that we have the intro, the breakdown, the build-up, and the drop, let's listen to the final result.